Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
I would like to buy bronze interlocking weather strip for a door that is 36 by 80, and I just want to, I'm at your website, and there are an awful lot of choices, so I was hoping maybe you could guide me through kind of the ordering process.
Okay, so you have a wood door and a wood frame?
That's correct.
Where do you want to put this interlocking weather stripping?
I would like to put it on all four sides. I know that there's, there are tops and sides and bottom. Yep.
Sure. Is it a single door?
It is a single door, yep.
So let's tackle the threshold first. What did you have in mind for the threshold?
When you say the threshold, you mean the bottom of the door? And again, yes. I'm sorry, I'm not the contractor, I'm the homeowner, but I'm trying to kind of help them along.
Who's going to prep for the material? Let's tackle that first.
It's going to be the contractor. The contractor. I've given him the directions online. We have an older home, and it's got all this weather stripping in each one of the doors, and we're replacing one of the doors. That door, and I just love the weather stripping. I think it's excellent, and I'm disappointed that more people don't use it and don't know how to don't know more about it, because I think it's an excellent product. And there's a very good site online that explains how to do it, step by step. So I've kind of given that to him, and he said he could do it. I mean, it takes, made him aware that it would probably take about a day for him to make sure that it's set correctly. But
okay. Okay. So, what do you want to do about the threshold? Do you want that threshold made of bronze or aluminum?
What would you recommend? There's if I look at what is there's an old one, right? The former door, that the new door is replacing, had one, and it appears to be aluminum. I'm expecting that you're going to say that it's probably a good idea to replace it rather than, with a new one, rather than, using this one, correct? Not because you're trying to fit, but just because it just to have it fit correctly.
Like yourself, I also lived through 2008. I am not an advocate of spending money when we don't have to. My advice to you would be the exact opposite.
Great.
I would like to see photographs of the threshold, and then you would buy just the hook strip that you would nail to the bottom of the new door.
Yes, good. Okay, good. Because it's in fine shape. I will say that, I had thought we would do all bronze, but this appears to be maybe it's a zinc. Would that be correct? Is that sometimes what it's made of, or is it made of an aluminum? I mean the whole
I've
thing.
I've never seen a threshold made of zinc-based material.
Okay. Let me see if I can just. Okay. So,
are you attempting to discern the base
material?
I'm
taking a few pictures.
Okay.
Do you have a cell phone or something I can text them to, or do you have an email that I could send them to?
Yes, to the latter. And I will give that to you now.
Great, thank you.
It is sales, SALES.
Yep.
At A as in architectural.
Yep.
B as in builders.
Yep.
Supply, SUPPLY.
Yep. .com.
.net.
.net. Okay. Okay. And as part of that, I will. Okay.
So I imagine you have interlocking weather stripping in your other doors as well?
That's correct, yep.
Well, why don't you just email me photographs of that stuff, and I'll just reply back with what the part numbers are, or just take the order for the material.
Okay, good.
So
yeah, I mean, this one, the one that this is replacing, right, already has the weather stripping in it. But my thought is, rather than rather than trying to remove this and then put it back on, my thought would be that we should probably completely replace it, except maybe the jamb. But why don't I take pictures of,
you mean to pull it off your door and nail it back on? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
I wouldn't. Yeah. You'd have to. I don't see an advantage of doing that.
Okay.
The material is so thin that you may not get it peeled off without damage.
That's what I'm thinking too. I don't think that'll work. So my thought would be, replace it. But I'll take pictures of all, the various parts. I will mention that the top of the door, it appears that they just decided not to install it on the top, either because it wasn't working before, or maybe they took it off because it was jamming or whatever. But so the top just is on the door is just is just routed off, right? So there's the route it, I think they call it a rabbit or something, but that is. That's there, but there's no metal piece that interlocks into the jamb.
Yeah. So theoretically, you need three pieces. You need is the L angle installed at the header and the frame currently?
So at the header, yes. That's
okay.
The piece is in the frame, yes. But
so you need three pieces. You need the hook strip at the bottom of the door. You need the 3-foot L angle for the top, and then you need the one for the strike jamb. You shouldn't need anything else.
Okay, not one for the. I thought the one with the hinge, though. The hinge has one.
But that's attached
to
the jambs.
Okay, it's attached to the jamb. Yeah, exactly. And so I could just have him route out that. Just put a router and route out a hole for that to fit into. Correct. Well,
that's where the expertise of your installer comes in.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, you've got a slot for the hinge jamb. You got to rabbit the top of the door and then the lock side of the door. That's exactly correct.
Yes. Okay. So let me take some pictures, and you can just confirm. It sounds like I'm close, but if you could just confirm that what it is you think I need and what I might replace, and then we'll go from there.
Awesome. Thank you for calling.
And please. And what your name is, just so I can
Richard.
title it. Richard, great. Thank you so much, Richard. I'll send these right away. Okay.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.